The Life of Isaac Newton, a beginner-friendly audiobook. Chapter 1, Early Life and Childhood. Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643, in a small village called Woolsthorpe in England. His father, also named Isaac Newton, died 3 months before he was born, leaving his mother, Hannah Asko, to raise him alone. Isaac was a small and weak baby, and his mother worried about him surviving. But Isaac grew up to be a curious and intelligent child. From an early age, Isaac showed a keen interest in how things worked. He loved to build models of machines and spent hours observing the world around him. When Isaac was 3, his mother remarried and moved away, leaving him in the care of his grandmother. This made Isaac feel lonely, but he found comfort in his studies. Chapter 2, Education and Discoveries. When Isaac was 12, he was sent to the King's School in Grantham, a nearby town. At first, Isaac wasn't a particularly good student. However, after a quarrel with a classmate, he decided to focus on his studies to prove himself. Isaac quickly became the top student in his class, excelling in mathematics and science. After finishing school, Isaac attended Trinity College at the University of Cambridge. Here, he continued to study mathematics and became fascinated by the works of famous scientists like Galileo and Kepler. Isaac started to develop his own ideas about how the world worked, especially in the areas of mathematics, physics, and astronomy. One of the most famous stories about Isaac Newton is the legend of the apple. It is said that Isaac was sitting under an apple tree when he saw an apple fall to the ground. This simple event led him to think about the forces that make objects fall, and he began to develop his theory of gravity. Chapter 3, The Laws of Motion. Isaac Newton's work on gravity led him to formulate the 3 laws of motion, which describe how objects move. These laws are still taught in schools today and are the foundation of classical physics. First law, an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. This is often called the law of inertia. Second law, the force acting on an object is equal to the mass of the object multiplied by its acceleration. This is expressed by the formula F equals ma. Third law, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that forces always come in pairs. These laws revolutionized the way people understood the physical world and laid the groundwork for many future scientific discoveries. Chapter 4, Contributions to Mathematics. In addition to his work in physics, Isaac Newton made significant contributions to mathematics. He developed a new branch of mathematics called calculus, which is used to study change and motion. Calculus is a powerful tool that has applications in many fields, including engineering, economics, and medicine. Isaac also worked on algebra and geometry, making important discoveries that advanced the field of mathematics. His book, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, often called the Principia, is one of the most important works in the history of science. In it, Isaac presented his laws of motion and universal gravitation. Chapter 5, Later Life and Legacy. Isaac Newton became a respected professor at Cambridge University, where he continued his research and taught students. He also served as the president of the Royal Society, an organization dedicated to promoting scientific knowledge. In his later years, Isaac Newton focused on alchemy and theology, trying to understand the mysteries of the universe from a spiritual perspective. Although his work in these areas was less successful, his contributions to science and mathematics have had a lasting impact. Isaac Newton died on March 31, 1727, at the age of 84. He was buried in Westminster Abbey, a great honor reserved for the most distinguished people in British history. Chapter 6, The Impact of Isaac Newton's Work. Isaac Newton's discoveries changed the way we understand the world. His laws of motion and theory of gravity provided a new framework for studying the natural world, and his work in mathematics laid the foundation for many modern fields of study. Today, Isaac Newton is remembered as one of the greatest scientists of all time. His work continues to inspire students and researchers around the world, and his ideas remain central to our understanding of the universe. Chapter 7. Reflection and Inspiration. Isaac Newton's life story teaches us many valuable lessons. Despite facing challenges and setbacks, he never gave up on his quest for knowledge. His curiosity and determination led him to make discoveries that changed the world. For new English learners, studying Isaac Newton's life can be both inspiring and educational. His story shows that with hard work and dedication, we can achieve great things, no matter where we start. Subscribe for more videos. Your support helps me create more content. Thanks for watching.